Hey guys, and welcome to the Nash House. Today we're going to be preparing some grilled chicken fillet breasts. And the kids and I couldn't decide if we wanted to do baked potatoes or mashed potatoes, but instead we settled on natural cut French fries. So enjoy. All right, let's get started. So we're going to drizzle this extra virgin olive oil on top of the chicken breast that's already been rinsed. Then we're going to hit it with some smoked paprika, one of my favorites. And if you know me, you know I love McCormick. All right, let's see. Next, let's do some garlic powder. Just a tad of do ya. Now we're going to do some ground black pepper. And this is all to your taste. Oh, here comes one of my next favorite seasoning, ground turmeric. Ground turmeric actually has been a great addition to our herbs and spice profile. Really love the properties of it. This is a little bit of garlic salt, but it's just been wonderful. So if you get a chance and you see it in the aisles, try it. All right, now we're gonna hit it with a little bit of Italian salad dressing. I love me some wishbone. It brings out the flavor. And now we just got to mix it up. Now this will get your hands very messy. Just make sure that you're able to wash them right away, because we are dealing with poultry. So poultry can contain some very harmful bacteria. You don't want to cross-contaminate anything while you're cooking it. Next, I wanted to add a little bit of a spice profile. So I added some crushed red peppers. And when I tell you that, don't be afraid of these, guys. It really just brings out the flavor of your meat. It really changes that flavor profile that you're looking for, that depth of flavor. Really good to add to your food. Now let's hit it with a little bit of dried parsley. I like using the dried parsley because I can keep it longer. Me being a mom, I can't keep a lot of herbs fresh because days are not always as they're planned. So sometimes it will actually go bad, So I try to get some dry ingredients, some dried sage. This one, dried parsley, is one of my favorite. I have some dried cilantro. Just open up to trying it, guys. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and start prepping for our French fries. I'm going to go through it at different angles just to show you how you can make your own home cut fries, because they are absolutely, positively delicious. We're using rustic brown potatoes, the larger ones. We're going to cut up approximately about 4 to 5 potatoes for my household. We are a family of 6, and everybody, and when I say everybody, loves potatoes. Now, while I'm going through and cutting up these potatoes, guys, don't forget to like this video and make sure that you share it with your friends. And most importantly, if you really love our content, you have to subscribe to our channel. And that little bell icon, you got to click that too, to all, so they can actually notify you when we post more delicious recipes. We want to be connected with you also, so you can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and some of our exclusive recipes are on TikTok. All right, guys, I wanted to give you a different angle so you can actually see how these French fries are actually cut up. And take your time with it. If you have extremely sharp knives like I do, you always want to take your time so you don't cut off any digits with your fingers. Ha ha ha. So while I speed this up, just to let you know, I did put the oil on for the fry, so it is actually heating up, and the skillet for the chicken.
Oh, cool. So you will do my address.
What's that? So now that we have some chicken already grilling on one side, I want to make sure that it gets a nice sear on it. So what you're gonna see me do, I'm gonna actually take a water bottle and I'm gonna open it just a little bit so it can drip some water on the pan. When I tell you guys, it just really helps grill the chicken. You gotta try it. Then a capital, another space, then a capital T. All right, now we're gonna flip it over so we can sear the other side. Look at that. Oh my God, it looks amazing and it smells even better. Oh my goodness. So we're gonna drizzle a little bit more water on top. This chicken is almost done. And the aroma in here is just amazing. Let's check our fries. They still need a little bit more time to cook. This is just the first batch. But let's prep this chicken. We're gonna let it rest for a good 5 to 10 minutes so we don't lose the juices. And then we're gonna cut it. All right, now that the chicken has rested, it's time to cut it. Let's dig in. Oh man, I'm gonna have to get me a fork for this. Hold on, guys. And look at that, ever so delicious grilled chicken. Oh my God. Now don't forget to go and subscribe to our channel. Press that bell icon. Make sure you get notified whenever we post new recipes like this delicious grilled chicken. Oh my gosh. Let's get a different angle. Look at that. Oh, I'm gonna have to cut another piece. Let's get a close-up. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Now thank you guys so much for watching. So here's our plate, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome to the Nash House, and we'll see you soon.